are characterized by elongated procedure shaped valleys, marginal or terminal fins, which are continuous. Lorigothelium is the most dominant one. So squid na kanang elongated, ang lord elongated kalinis siya, then kanang yun, o kanang nasa picture. Then, handling of cephalopod, kanang katong cephalopod is katungingan nila na naa sa iyang topic, then acting as a measure at the non-consonant. The cephalopods are extremely perishable and can be handled with great care. Right from past, it should not be exposed to direct sunlight to the sun. Pwede ma-expose sa direct sunlight dun sa drying nga effect of sleep by cold to the lowest possible temperature of the house. So, hmm? Kaya di lang mag-suggest sa development of sleep. Then, it is better to avoid direct contact with nothing ice than many soluble components as well as protein rich into the ice melt water. The pigments are also spread out throughout the squid body by direct with ice. Then refrigerator seawater can also be included for this purpose. When boxes are used for keeping cephalopods, they should be properly iced, not overfilled, so that unloading the pots will board to segregate the pots to different varieties. It is also essential to maintain a high standard of cleanliness on deck inside the fish hold.
The father is important to Thursday is the better to started out by removing some names, right ones at the same time that contamination to working surface and the other organization. Kung kami ang uban namin ang tao ito ay ko na ito para ito makaganda ng mga kailangan. The materials selected for processing should be thoroughly washed before personally immediately after best operation. After careful dressing and removal of skin of our skin. After we should be thoroughly